In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gamepass in Roblox. It's a simple process that works through the Roblox website. So first, go to roblox.com and log into your account. At the top of the screen, click on Create. This should take you to the Creator Hub. Once you're in the Creator Hub, look at the left side menu and click on Creations. Make sure you're in the Experiences tab. If you haven't made an experience yet, you can just use the default one that Roblox gives you. Next, scroll down on the left side until you see the monetization section. Under that, click Passes. Now click Create a Pass and you'll see a default image for the pass. You can leave it as is or click Change to upload your own image. After that, give your pass a name and add a description if you want. Then, click Create Pass. After it's created, click on your new Game Pass to open the settings. From the left menu, select Sales. Turn on the switch that says Item for Sale, then enter a price. This is how much your Game Pass will cost. Just keep in mind that Roblox takes 30%, so you'll get 70% of the sale. Click Save Changes when you're done. So that's how you create a Game Pass in Roblox.